How to turn off contacts on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off contacts on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your app. This is also to ensure that you're going to face the same user interface, and so you will be guided all throughout. And now let's head on to opening TikTok. And from your For You page, let's head on to our profile page by clicking on this button at the bottom right corner. Now that we are at our profile page, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. And let's click on Settings and Privacy. After that, let's focus on the Accounts tab and click on Privacy. And here, this is the discoverability section right here. So if you want to stop TikTok from suggesting your account to your contacts, let's head on and click on this option right here that says Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. So I currently have it on. Since we want to turn it off, just click on this toggle button right here, and then it will turn into gray. That means that you have turned off syncing your contacts. So with this, you won't be found by your contacts on TikTok, and it won't be suggested to your contacts. So that is what you can do to not be suggested to your contacts that are on TikTok. So yes, that's basically how you can turn off contacts on TikTok. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.